Hello! Today I'm going to make a mesh shrug, and for this project I am using this kind of yarn. This is cotton cakes, and this is seashell color, beautiful, and I'm gonna use 6mm crochet hook. And to start, we need to make slip knot and make 219 chains, and this shrug we are going to crochet in one piece. I have 219 chains. Now we add 5 more, and we are going to make double crochet in 8 chain from the hook. So this is our first little window, and I turn my chain this way, so I'm going to crochet in these loops. Now chain 2, we skip 2 chains, and in third we make double crochet. You can also crochet in this side, it's up to you what you prefer. Chain 2, and we repeat, skip 2 chains and double crochet in the third one. Chain 2, double crochet, skip 2, double crochet in the third. So we repeat this until we finish whole row. I finish first row, and for the next row chain 5, turn, we skip 2 chains and double crochet in the third chain or stitch. Chain 2, double crochet in double crochet stitch. Chain 2, double crochet in double crochet stitch, and we continue like this and repeat this row until we reach 10 inches wide, or for the larger size, this is I think for small and medium, but for the larger size is gonna be 11.5 inches wide. To finish second row, chain 2, skip 2 chains and double crochet in third one. Chain 5, turn, skip 2 chains and double crochet in the third one. So repeat second row until you reach 10 inches wide, and for the bigger side it's gonna be 11.5 inches. I made 18 rows together, and I finished the last row on the wrong side. Now I'm going to make a neck opening, and the measurement of those 18 rows is around 11 and a half inches. And for the neck opening I counted 30 squares from one side. I put stitch marker here, and I counted also from the other side 30 squares, and I put stitch marker. What is left is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13 squares, and we are going to start the row where we are going to make a neck opening. So chain 5, turn, skip 2 stitches, make double crochet. So we are gonna make 30 squares, and I put here stitch marker, and after we are gonna make the neck opening. I reach my stitch marker, and between those two we have 38 stitches. So from here we are going to make 38 chains. I made 38 chains, and now I will skip all those stitches, 38, and I'm going to continue with my pattern from this marker. I make double crochet, chain 2, skip 2 stitches, double crochet in the next. So I will continue until I finish the row. I finished the row, and for the next row we continue as usual, chain 5, skip 2 chains, double crochet, and we are gonna continue until we reach chain 38 chains. I reached the part with chain 38 chains. I made double crochet. Now chain 2, skip 2 stitches and skip 2 chains and double crochet in the third chain. I'm gonna try to make it in this third loop. We have here between 2 loops this middle, so make double crochet in the middle loop, chain 2, skip 2, and here double crochet, chain 2, skip 2, double crochet. So this way we are gonna make 13 squares, same as here we had 13, so we are gonna make 13 squares on this chain. So I am at the end of the chain, and I'm gonna finish my last square. I have chain 2 here. I'm gonna make double crochet. So here is the neck opening. If you like to make it wider, it's okay, as you are comfortable with it, to make it a little bit wider, like 2 more windows, squares, is okay. So now I'm going to continue with the pattern, and I'm gonna make the same amount of rows to match the first half of the shrug, and I will see you when I am done and I finish all the rows. So this is just same pattern and continue like this, and I will see you after. I finish the other part of the shrug. I have 18 rows on both sides, and from each side I measure 20 inches where we are going to put together for the sleeves, and I put a stitch marker. Here is the one. So from one side is 20 inches and is 25 these squares, and also from the other side 25 squares. So now here I finish, and we are going to sew it from the crochet together from the wrong side, and how we started, we have our yarn here on the left side, so is the right side, and when we put it together like this, so we are gonna crochet and turn it after. So we crochet I'm gonna turn it this way. And we are going crochet like this, one loop and another loop and slip stitch. Just one loop from inside. Oops. And we continue until we reach the marker. I finish one side I cut the yarn and I'm going to do the other side. I finished both sides, and this is the shrug. This is easy pattern for beginners, and thank you for watching and happy crocheting.